Hello everyone, Bob Stewart here with VLCFF support. I just wanted to give you a quick heads up that we're making some visual changes to the VLCFF website. When you go to our website, vlcff.udayton.edu, you'll notice a whole new look, including our new logo. Everything is pretty self-explanatory, but I did want to point out a few things as you navigate around the new look. Notice the menu items are in the top right corner of the screen, and you can get to any page on the site through these links. Also notice that some of the links are repeated at the bottom of the page in the footer area. To get back to the home page, simply click on the logo at the top of the screen. To log in, click on the login link in the top right of your screen. You'll notice you'll get a pop-up box in which to enter your credentials. When your profile page comes up, you'll see all your information is there in the same order as before, just as before. It just looks a little different. So if you're browsing around the website and you'd like to get back to your profile page, simply click on the You Are Logged In link at the top of the page and you're back. One thing that hasn't changed on the site is the course layout. As you can see here, the course layout is the same as before, and we'll be making adjustments to that in a future update. One more thing I'd like to point out is that the site is much more readable now on small screens like tablet PCs and phones. You'll notice that as I make the screen smaller, the text wraps and is still quite readable. You'll also get this Trybar menu so that you can navigate the site. We hope you like the new look. We'll be releasing many new features throughout the year that we hope will make your VLCFF experience even more enjoyable.